It's very humbling that you have selected to dedicate this room to me. Yes, it was a dream of mine, but it was a dream of everybody that works here. If you don't provide CT, it's almost impossible to recruit or to retain providers like doctors and nurse practitioners. We started the process of moving CT in-house, and we were able to get 2 providers to come. We felt that it was cost-effective to use a reconditioned. Financially, it was cheaper.
With the reconditioned, your price is going to be a much lower purchase price, as well as the ongoing service agreements are going to be much lower and easier for the community hospitals to afford versus a brand new scanner and a high service agreement.
Before we had CT here, anytime they had to go 55 miles at least, and it's very difficult for the elderly to be able to go to another facility. And it's good for young people. They don't have to take off a whole day of work. They can come out here and be finished and go back to work if they so choose. And it's absolutely fabulous. Any question we ever had, all I had to do was call Darren. He was very willing to come, make sure the board understood what we were getting into so that they could make an informed decision. I'd do it again, but I'm glad I don't have to.